So I was talking to the cable guy that's going to make the cables for the rat rod brakes, emergency brakes, and he wanted a shot of the inside of the backing plates. Let me move some tires around. I've been kind of looking at tire options here while I was taking the tires off anyway. Let's get in here. What this is this is a Ford 9-inch rear end, a 1957. I had drums and backing plates, but not much else. And I went online, and I believe I bought like an 84 Ford pickup truck set of backing plates with all new shoes and pads and springs and cylinder and everything, and put on here. And so that's what I've got, and that's what I'll be matching the cable brake to. So I pulled this off to look at it and to take a picture of it for the cable guy. And I thought, well, I'm curious. I wonder how these wheels are shorter than these by a goodly bit, but I wonder how close they would put that exhaust pipe to the ground if I stuck them on here. So I might just stick these on it and just see how it sits with a tire of that size on there. Yeah, just for the, just for to see what it's going to look like, I guess. Good enough reason, I suppose. All right, let's start her up and bring her out and see what we think. So which y'all like better, with the hubcap or without? Let's take a ride and see what it feels like going down the road a little bit. Oh joy. We won't go too far. I still do have pretty good clearance as far as the ground clearance, exhaust pipe clearance, all that. Good enough to get by, I think. Let's see, I was talking the other day about changing that choke a little. I might do that before I take off. Let's do that. Alright, I changed that choke setting to a couple of notches richer. Take it for a ride and see what you think.
turn it the other way. A couple notches. Smell any oil yet?